Hello, okay, this is a quick just Q&A video. People have been asking me what my watch is, if it is the Apple Watch, but it's not. This is actually the Galaxy Gear. I absolutely love it. It's easy to adjust the watch band size. The charging dock thing just hooks onto it, so it is very water resistant. It tells time. I've got my pedometer settings, my messages. It tells me the temperature, and of course I've got all these different things. It has a sleep mode on it too. And then I got the temperature, which you can change it on your phone through the app. I've got pictures of my girls behind it. And tells my calendar if I have any events scheduled. I can add more things. You can swipe down. You got some of your like do not disturb settings. You can swipe up and see all the different apps and stuff that you can use through it. I love it. This one is, I don't know exactly the name of this one. I just call it the Galaxy Gear. This is like the newest one. It's not the Neo. It's newer than the Neo. And this is the one that has its own phone number attached to it. I really don't use it, but I found it's very, very helpful. Seeing, I can check text, phone calls, contacts. I can check my email, schedule, settings, navigation. There's the S Health, running. There's a music player, which is the music player. If I click it, it actually goes, which my phone is dropped and shattered on me, but I can do it like this. See, and pick it up, and what I want to play, it'll play it on my phone. But I don't really want to play them right now. I just got a bunch of music on there. And just all the music I download on my phone, I can control and play through this, which is really neat. And of course I had the sound off for it. That's what that is. Of course I could check news, weather. I can set alarms through it. There's the S voice, photo gallery. If I lose my phone, I can hit the find my device thing. And it'll do that until I find it. With it having its own number, I don't have to worry about it being out of range for my phone, and I can do call forwarding. So that if my phone battery is about to die, I can forward all the calls to this so that my phone will still, this will ring instead of my phone, and I can answer and talk on that. So that's what that is. Put it back on. Another thing people have been asking about is what my ring says. Okay. Me and Jeremy were set up at an event, and we did some bartering, and we had these rings made. And of course mine has his name on it. Let's see if we'll focus. It says Jeremy. And we thought the rings were reminded us of Lord of the Rings. So instead of one ring to rule them all, it just says one love to rule them all. I will put the information of the people who made the ring in the description below. You can pick all different colors. They have different fonts, they have different logos and symbols. Just all kinds of things. See, we just did a couple hearts. So I absolutely love it. It's not turning my finger green like a lot of jewelry seems to do. A lot of cheap jewelry. So, okay, that's what those are. That's really all I had. People have been asking, so I thought I'd do a video and just show you. This is my Galaxy Gear watch. It's Samsung. And this is my ring we got made at a festival. Absolutely love it.